Actually, I was much interested in HR. MBA and HR will be like 2 years. I have to wait till 2 years to complete my MBA. So I did my research on how to do, what to do, how to improve the value of my education, and found out about Internshala. They said it will be like 100% placement guarantee. They helped me in creating a resume. They helped me out to prepare for an interview, join the course, and I got placed in Amazon.
Hello, Madan. Thank you for agreeing to have this interview with us. At Internshala, we have many viewers, and through this video, I hope that they get some career tips out of it. So, for our viewers, could you please tell me about your educational background and what are you doing currently?
My educational background was I did my BCom in the year 2020 and I took a 2 years gap. Then after COVID, I joined my MBA HR. Then while doing that, I did my research how to improve my skills, how to improve the value of my education. So I did my research on how to do, what to do, and found out about Internshala and joined the HR course.
So, what made you choose HR as a field, career field, after doing BCom?
Uh, Actually, I was much interested in HR. Like engaging with new people, helping them their career growth and as well as mine. So it all suited me well, and I chose to be an HR.
Great. And why did you choose Internshala for that, to make career in that?
It's not like that. Just like that, I was doing many researches, like which program to go. There are many like Internshala, right? Like courses people are providing. In Internshala, they said it will be like 100% placement guarantee. So I thought, yeah, it may be worth it, and joined the course and got placed.
Okay. So, what is the full name of the course which you did?
It's placement guarantee course, human resource management.
Okay, Internshala Human Resource Placement Guarantee course.
Yeah.
So, have you completed the course?
Yeah, I got completed.
So, did you get the placement?
Yeah, I got placed in Amazon.
Oh, great. So, you are working as?
HR associate in Amazon.
Okay. So, it's a full-time role?
Yeah, full-time role.
Okay, nice. So, like as you mentioned that you were doing MBA in HR, and yet you opted for this kind of for the course at Internshala. So, what made you opt for a course at Internshala of HR when you were already doing MBA in HR?
Yeah, it's like MBA and HR will be like 2 years. I have to wait till 2 years to complete my MBA. So simultaneously, I have to educate myself also about HR and add a additional advantage on my resume and my skills also. So I thought I'll be joining some course and did my research and joined Internshala course.
So how was your overall experience with Internshala Human Resource Placement Guarantee course?
Yeah, it was very good actually. Initially I was like bit worried how the course is completely online, okay? So I thought they won't be answering any questions, they won't be clarifying any doubts and all. But yeah, it was good. They'll be having a doubt clearing session every week. You can have mentor contact every monthly, twice or thrice, I guess. So it was good.
And in terms of content, like did you learn the content well? And is the content helpful to clear your interviews? And is it still helping you on job?
Yeah, the content was really good, and it like elaborated everything in detail, like not a specific role of HR, like overall general. So in HR there are many fields, right? So it covered every field of the HR. So it was very helpful for the interviews, and like when practically doing a job, it's really helpful, the contents.
So how did this course help you to land a job at Amazon?
The course like taught the basics and the advanced things in the HR field, and they not only taught the course, they also like encouraged me how to prepare for the interview. Like what are the questions they might be asking, what are the portions we have to cover for to attend the interview, like that.
Yes. So could you please tell us the process of how to get a job at Amazon? What is the whole process? If you can give a step-by-step process of it. Like you applied to Internshala Human Resource Management Placement Guarantee course. You completed it. Then what happened? How did you get to know about Amazon? How did you apply to it? What support did you get from the course? And how was the interview process?
After I completed my course, after 2 or 3 days, the placement guarantee team approached me, saying that these are the job roles available, and they mentioned that not only Amazon, like 2 to 3 companies. In that, I selected Amazon. I said Amazon would be nice if I get into it. So I said I'll be applying to Amazon. They gave me a resume draft, so I made a resume like that. They helped me in creating a resume. They helped me out to prepare for an interview, and they side by side they also applied for the interview on my behalf. They shortlisted the candidates and sent the resume. And after a week or 2 weeks, I got shortlisted in Amazon. Then the interview process went.
Okay, so how many rounds were there? What kind of questions were asked? And overall, was the interview difficult or hard?
Yeah, the interviews were was not that difficult. It was actually 2 rounds. One is like version test.
Okay.
Second is like general questions like about the field, HR, and everything. Yeah.
So, any tips? How can one clear version test at Amazon?
You should improve your listening and speaking skills.
Okay.
Yeah, that will be like major part of the version test. And your English.
So tell us about your second round of interview. So what kind of questions were asked, and any tips or any strategies which you followed in order to clear the interview?
Yeah. First, we should be very strong in basics when it comes to interview regarding our field. They'll mostly check whether how strong we are in basics.
Okay.
Then only like advanced questions like that, technical like scenario type of questions, situations, hard situations like that. Yeah. So if we concentrate on this, we might crack the interview.
Great. So now, like, how it is like working at Amazon? So, like, how is the work culture, and what is your job title, and what are your job responsibilities?
Working in Amazon is really amazing. My job position is like HR associate. I'm under recruiting services. Okay. Actually, I'm recruiting for the region NEMA, North America. So I'll be recruiting and scheduling the interviews for those candidates whom I get. Yeah. And the work culture is very good. It's hybrid. 2 days from home and 3 days from office. Yeah, and it's really good.
Great. How do you feel? Like a few months back, you were giving interviews, and now you are taking interviews. So, how do you feel about this transition?
It's actually really good feel. Looking back at my past and now.
So, what about your batchmate of your MBA HR field? So, like, are they got placed? They're still looking for jobs.
Actually, in my MBA, no, we are in the final year, not yet completed, so we are not yet placed.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that is great. Before completed your MBA, you have already got placed, and that too in Amazon. That is so nice. Great.
Yeah.
So the last 2 questions I'll ask. One, because now you yourself take interviews. So 1 or 2 tips which you see in the candidates, in their resume and in their interview while hiring them.
Their educational qualifications and their skills. What skills they possess. The skills relevant to the field. That's the main thing the HRs notice.
Okay. And if somebody wants to create a career in HR, so 1 or 2 skills that is must to have a career in HR.
First of all, communication skills, and then handling pressure, like handling difficult situation calmly. You shouldn't panic.
Great. And two things that you should have to get into Amazon.
Good skills and knowledge, and of course, first communication skills. Yeah.
Great. So thank you so much for your time, and thank you for sharing your story with us. And I hope our viewers who are listening to this video will surely get motivated and will work hard to achieve their dreams. And I wish you as well all the best for your future endeavors.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Bye-bye.
Bye.